Starla with expressionsvinyl.com, and today I'm going to talk to you about Siser's glitter heat transfer vinyl or iron-on vinyl. And we carry quite a few lines of iron-on vinyl, but the glitter is super glittery. Glitter can be used on a variety of products. You can use it on canvas bags, on canvas, and even wood. Most popular is t-shirts. Glitter heat transfer consists of 3 different layers. You have your carrier sheet and your vinyl, which is a nice glittery texture, and then you have your heat activated adhesive. Heat transfer glitter has to be mirrored, so when you feed it in your machine, you will feed it with the adhesive side up and load it in your machine. Silhouette Cameo cut settings are a blade of 5, speed of 5, thickness 15, and the Cricut is iron-on plus. All right, once your vinyl is cut, it's so easy to weed. I did pre-sketch my cut lines with a pen, but we'll have a video on that as well. Now that we've got our glitter heat transfer cut out, it's not recommended to layer it, so we're going to do a knockout effect with our silhouette image that is called the round Valentine frame. All right, so with glitter heat transfer, you want to set your iron, your press, your easy press to 320 degrees for 15 to 20 seconds with firm pressure. Okay, so this is just a quick example of the knockout. You're just going to fill in those negative space with your next glitter color. And we're just going to cover that with multi-use paper. Glitter heat transfer comes in 47 different colors. 7 of which are neons and 2 are translucent. Those are used to layer on top of easy weeds so you can create cool different colors. And then we have 38 colors from all over the rainbow. It comes in 9x12 sheets or 12x20 sheets, and you can find that in the heat transfer category on our website. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your glitter loving friends, and leave any comments or questions you have below. Have a great day, guys. Bye.